Mr.
Yes,
Taj.
I think it's a happen lack of confidence and lack of practice. I every day talk myself because I don't have any partner with whom I can practice. And today I think I am confronting advanced learner, English teacher, so English master. So that's why there is
Don't.
no environment here.
I see. I see. Don't you worry. I'll provide you the environment. After our conversation, I'll provide you environment. Don't you worry.
Don't worry. So I am Taj from
Taj.
Rajasthan. Yes,
Taj. Taj from Rajasthan.
yes, yes.
Yes. Yes. Please tell me. Tell me. Tell me something about yourself. Introduce yourself to us.
Yes. So I am
Mhm.
Taj from Rajasthan, and it's district name is Jalore. So you know Sanchor. Sanchor. I know you that you are from Surat. Am I right?
Yes. 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 You are.
So I am from Sanchor. You can say. I think you know about Sanchor. It's not too far from the Surat.
No, no, sir. I have never heard about Sanchur, and I have never been to Rajasthan.
Yes.
That's why I don't know anything about Rajasthan.
Yes, I've been trying to connect with you after long time. But, today I get opportunity to talk with Arif.
Yes, yes. It's my privilege, sir. That it's my privilege and it's my honor that you have been trying to connect with me for the last couple of days, and
Yeah,
it was my misfortune that we couldn't connect to each other. And today is the fortunate day. Today is a fantastic day that we connected each other.
yes, because our timing not matching. So today we get opportunity to talk with you.
That's great. We got the opportunity. We already got the opportunity, and we are talking. That's great. Yeah. What do you do, sir? What do you do? Sorry.
How long have you been learning English? I am a beginner, so right now I'm like getting nervous because
Don't get nervous. I'm your brother. Consider me as a brother. I'm your younger brother, and just be
yeah.
relaxed and enjoy the moment. Just relax, cool, calm. We are here to fun, not to learn. We are here to fun, not to learn English. Just consider like this, Mr.
Yeah,
Taj.
I think it's a happen lack of confidence and lack of practice. I every day talk myself because I don't have any partner with whom I can practice. And today I think I am confronting advanced learner, English teacher, so English master. So that's why there is
Don't.
no environment here.
I see. I
And
see. Don't you worry. I'll provide you the environment. After our conversation, I'll provide you environment. Don't you worry.
yes,
Don't you worry, sir. Sir,
yes, I
what?
watch your video every day. It's a very helpful. I can say if anyone want to improve their like communication skills, so it's a very beneficial each and every person. It's a very big beneficial. I can say. I can bet.
Absolutely, absolutely. So may I know since when you have been learning English?
Just casually, I just like this language. It's just my
Mm-hmm.
fashion. And sometime in my village there is no person can speak with foreigners. Sometimes foreigners comes here to watch the border area sometimes, so just casually it's just my fashions. Here
Mm-hmm.
there is a well educated person, but when it comes to speak very, so at that time they feel they get stuck. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why and reason.
I see. And what's your reason behind that? What's your reason that why you are learning English? Any specific reason or just for enhancing your knowledge? That's it.
Just for enhancing my knowledge. It's my just
Mm-hmm.
passion. There is a reason behind it. Just I like this language. This is
I
the main
see.
reason.
Absolutely. And
And
see,
eh, sir, I
yeah,
know
please.
very well you. my qualification is very low because I dropped my study after having completed just 8th class.
I see.
Me that how long have you been learning English?
Well, you won't believe. I think for the last 6 to 7 years.
Yes.
Yes.
6 to 7 months.
No, I'm talking about years. I have been practicing. I have been grabbing the knowledge of English for the last 6 to 7 years, not 6 to 7 months. It's impossible. It's impossible that we, yeah, it's impossible. Yeah, it's a possible in if you stay in other country like in America or any other country, but stay in India. If you are telling someone that I have learned English within 5 to 6 months, that is impossible. Because the thing is that
because we don't have an environment of English. If we have an environment, then we can learn it. But without environment, it's not possible to learn 6 or 7 months. It's not possible.
It's not possible. It's possible. It will take approximately 1 year.
Of course, of course.
Approximately 1 year. But if you, I have experienced.
Depend on the practice, that how much we practice. It's depend on the practice.
Absolutely. Yes, absolutely. But what I have experienced, Mr. Taj, what I have experienced for the last 2 years, that if you will practice every day half an hour your spoken English, then within 6 months you will get some result. You will definitely get some result within 6 months. Okay, not before. After 6 months or within 6 months, you will get some result. But the thing is that you have to practice. You have to be consistent. Every day you have to speak English at least half an hour. This is what I
agree with you.
Yes, this is so. Practice makes perfect. Only, as you know, practice makes perfect. Absolutely. Yes, yes. Mr. Taj.
Okay, I want to share with you my some problem related to English. That
Please.
I know importance of reading, but when I read any newspaper, any connect like English, so at that time I feel bored. So how can I get rid of this problem?
Okay.
Reading.
Read 10 minutes in a day, not more than that. Only 10 minutes. That's it. Only read 10 minutes. Yeah, so read 10 minutes. I also read 10 to 20 minutes in a one day. I have fixed the time that I will read 10 minutes. I will listen 20 minutes. I will speak 5 hours. And I will, that's I will practice my grammar, other things, 20 minutes. So I'm going to tell you, talk, speak your English half an hour, read English 10 to 20 minutes. That's it. In a one day, fix it your time that I will read today 20 minutes. I will not read more than 20 minutes. But the thing is that when you read 20 minutes, give your 100% attention. Give your 100%. You know?
I agree with your point.
Yes, absolutely.
And my another problem is that listening. When we listen foreigner accent like American and British, so it's a little bit difficult to understand. So how can we understand? How can we improve understanding of foreigner accent? We can understand Indian accent, but the British accent is very difficult. It's difficult than American accent. What do you say?
Well, I have never experienced such things in my life, but I'm going to tell you, it will take time. It will take time. Right now, you are a beginner, you know?
Yes.
Right now, you are a beginner. After some time, you will understand. After some time, keep practice. After some time, you will understand automatically. After some time, you will understand automatically. What do you do to enhance your English? First of all, you tell me. What do you do?
I just sometime if I get time, so read a newspaper, and also I do practice of listening.
I see. And what about speaking?
What English movies, and sometime also grammar, English grammar. Not too much, just basic grammar.
Well, which movie
I
do you
also watch
watch? I see. That's a great. Well, I don't recommend you to watch English movies. I don't recommend you to watch English
yes,
movie. Yes, whether I don't know whether it's good or no, but I personally don't watch English movies. I watch English cartoon made in India. You know, that's made in India English
yes,
cartoon. Their accent and their words, they choose very, normal
yes,
words, beginner level words.
yes,
But once you will watch the English movie, they a majority of the time they use slang words. Some slang words,
yes, slang.
it's not slang word,
Yes,
it's not available on a Google dictionary. It's very
no,
hard to define what actually they're trying to say.
yes,
So I recommend
yes,
you don't watch English movie.
yes, yes. Thank you
I
for
recommend
suggesting
you,
me.
yeah, don't watch
Yes,
English movie. Watch conversation, watch cartoon. It will be good for you, especially
yes,
Indian cartoon, especially Indian cartoon. That will be good for you, I
yes,
think.
yes,
And read, sir.
yes,
Look, reading is the most important key. If you
yes.
wanted to
Of course,
enhance,
reading.
if you
Yeah.
wanted to enhance your grammar and your vocabulary, then read. Reading is the
Yes,
best.
yes.
What I have believed, what I
How
have observed.
how important is grammar for spoken English?
Well, it's important. Grammar is important. Grammar is the pillar. Without grammar,
Yes,
how you can speak English? Everything is
yes,
necessary, sir. Grammar,
yes,
vocabulary, accent. Not
yes, yes.
accent
Everything.
that much. Everything is important. Accent is not that
Of
much
course.
of important in the initial stage, but
Yes,
eventually you have to enhance your accent as well. But
yes, yes,
in the initial stage, no need accent.
yes, yes.
Yes, absolutely. What do you do, sir? What do you do? What's your
Um,
occupation?
yes, sir. Actually, I am a common person. I get a construction work, and after that, I get it done by the laborers and farming sector as well. That's all about my professions. I'm just a common person.
You are a builder in a sense. You are a builder.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
that's a
the
great.
construction works, and after that, I get it done by laborers.
Absolutely, I understand. So
Yeah,
you take a contract from the land owners
yeah,
and you build their house by using the labors.
yes, yes,
Absolutely,
yes,
that's nice. That's a good work. So this is your work site today. I think this is your site today.
yeah. This is my website. Yes.
I see. What's going on? What work is going on? What work is going on? What they are doing? Your
Build.
labors, what they are doing? They're building what? Building a
Yeah.
wall, or they are RCC,
Wall.
making RCC. I see, see.
Wall,
May
wall.
I know? May I see? Yeah, yeah. Wall. Absolutely, absolutely. That's a great. That's a fantastic.
Yes.
That's a
Arif,
fantastic.
yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Arif, have you ever had a word with a foreigner like British and American?
So many times, sir.
So many times.
Haven't you seen? Haven't you seen on my videos that I have spoken so many Britishers and Americans? Haven't you seen yet?
Yes, I seen your video, but I'm talking about have you ever had a word with a foreigner face to face?
No, no, no. I have never.
Yeah.
Face to face, I have never. But on a video call, I have so many times. Yes.
Yes.
No, never,
Mm.
never. I'm not interested that much. Then, Mr. Taj, tell me what's going on. What's going on? Everything is okay.
Yes, yes, everything is okay.
I like your English. Your English is Alhamdulillah. It's good. It's fantastic. You can enhance your
I'm,
English more. I'll,
I'm a beginner still.
no, no, no. You are upper than beginner. You are not a beginner. Who said that you are a beginner? Who said? Someone said to you that you are a beginner? Someone said to you that you are a beginner?
No, no, no.
No, no.
Because yeah,
No, you are not a beginner. You are upper than a beginner. I can judge who is the beginner, but you are upper than a beginner. You are upper than a beginner. You need one mentor, or you need a partner that with whom you can
yes,
practice your English. I'll provide you. I'll
Yes,
provide you. Don't you worry.
I don't have an environment of English, so
I see. Don't you worry. I'll
that,
give
that
you. I'll give you.
yes.
I'll give you. Don't you worry.
I learn each and every things of English through YouTube.
I see.
There is no from there I can practice, just YouTube.
That's great. And since when you have been learning English? 7 months or 6 months?
Yeah.
Since when you have been learning?
Uh, 7 or
That's
8
great.
months.
That's great.
Yes.
In a one day, how many hour you give to English? In a one day, how many hour you give to English?
It's depend on the time. So when I get the time, so sometime 1 hour, 2 hours. So it's depend on the time. There
Absolutely.
is no fixed rule. It's depend on the time.
It's mean approximately or average you give 1 hour every day to English.
That is 1 hour. Yeah.
So after learning English, what's your plan? You wanted to go out of the India, or what are you gonna do?
Everything is up in the air. I mean, I didn't decide. So let's see what will happen. Everything
I
up
see.
in the air. Yeah.
Means I didn't get this point. Pardon me.
I mean, everything up in the air means I didn't decide anything still.
I see. Still you didn't decide anything what to do, but still some in your mind that you would like to go to out of the India.
Yes, let's see what will happen. I have
That's
to go
great.
outside.
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely. What's your future plan, Mr. Taj? Is there any future plan? Is there any future plan would like to do in your future, tomorrow, next month, next year? Is there any future plan?
I am a married person and I just want to well educated to my son.
Absolutely, absolutely. Like what?
Yes.
Doctor, engineer, scientist.
I left my study just having completed 8th class, only 8th.
I see.
I'm not well educated.
I see. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. That's great. That's great. Fantastic. I'll then Mr. Taj, I think it's time to move on. It's time to move on. Allow me to go. Allow me to go.
Thank you, Arif. It was a nice speaking with you, Arif. I am over the moon after talking with Arif.
Same here, same here, same here. I'm so happy, and God bless you. God give you whatever you want in your life, and keep learning, keep exploring. This recording, our conversation is recorded. Do you allow me to post on a YouTube so people can learn something from you? They get motivation from you.
Of course.
Of course.
Definitely,
Thank
of
you.
course, of course.
Thank you. Thank you very